Hi everybody, it's Jeannie from Clifton's Crafty Casa. Welcome to my page. We're doing a lovebird themed project. I'm using the word love in a Valentine stencil from Essential Stencil and a transfer from Essential Stencil as well. And so we're going to have this on one of those bamboo wood cutting boards from Dollar Tree. And we've painted it green with that bayberry green. I love that green. And here are the lovebirds. They're going to look so cute on this board. And so just take your time and push that, burnish that transfer into the wood, and you'll be great. And there you go. Have a great day.